Good morning. We're here in Lincoln in the Capitol Rotunda for the start of the 2025 legislative session. Today is day one. The legislature will get itself organized, elect committee chairs, and do other ceremonial activities today. We are anticipating 17 new senators being sworn in, so that will really change what the body looks like for the next 2 years.
Either I so swear or I so affirm. Thank you. Congratulations.
This session you can expect a lot about the budget. They're currently facing a little bit of a shortfall, so that'll be a big topic of conversation, and then we'll always be very involved in the tax policy conversation. Something new for you in 2025 as chamber members is a number of additional public policy events that we'll be having. We'll be kicking off our inaugural Politics and Eggs breakfast, so stay tuned for a date in that, probably late February or early March. We will also be offering bi-weekly Zoom calls with our public policy staff to give you updates on what's going on at the legislature. So if you'd like to voluntarily sign up to hear a short update from Lincoln, you can do so. When you see it marketed in our materials, you'll just need to sign up and you can join us for those. We encourage you to follow us on our Greater Omaha Chamber social channels, and you can sign up for public policy emails if you're interested in receiving updates. We'll be here till June, looking out for your interests and the interests of the Omaha business community. So please make sure you share with us any thoughts that you have on any pending legislation.